Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to use Google Meet for video conferencing. Google Meet is a video conferencing tool that allows you to connect with people in real time using audio and video. With Google Meet, you can hold virtual meetings, webinars, and online classes. In this video, we will take a look at how to use Google Meet for video conferencing. So let's get started. Before you start using Google Meet, you need to have a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create an one for free. Just go to gmail.com and create a Google account. Once you have a Google account, you can start with using Google Meet by following these steps. So first, go to meet.google.com in your web browser. So type in meet.google.com. And in here, if you are not already signed in to your Google account, sign in using your email and password. Now, click on join or start a meeting. So click new meeting and start in an instant meeting. If you are joining a meeting on Google Meet, enter the meeting code or nickname provided by the meeting host or click a start a meeting to create a new meeting. Just like this one, I created a new meeting and this is the link that you can copy and share to anyone you want to start a meeting for. If you are joining an existing meeting, you will be asked to allow access to your camera and microphone. Once you are in the meeting, you can adjust your audio and video settings. Example, go to the three dots here or more option and click on settings. You can adjust your audio, enable push to talk, and adjust your speakers. You can test it and also you can connect a device in your audio. In your video settings, you can choose what video do you want, resolution, or receive. Then in general, you can send additional diagnostic info to Google or leave empty calls, so you can enable or disable those. And in caption, you can select a language people will use in the meeting. Caption will be displayed in this language except when translation is turned on. And last, reaction. You can show reaction from others, animation, and sounds. You can also share screen or present now and choose what type of present do you want. Example, you can present your entire screen, a window, or a tab. Best for video and animation. So you can choose tab. And of course, invite others to join the meeting. While using Google Meet during a meeting, you can interact with other participants. Example, video and audio. You can turn your camera, example here, or turn off. And also, you can turn on and turn off your microphone. To see if your microphone is on, just see this icon or your profile, then if that round type appears, it's the indication that your microphone is on. So turn off. You can also chat on this video conference. So just click the icon chat at the bottom right to chat everyone. Example, I'm gonna use the word hi and enter. You can send messages to other participants by clicking on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. And you can record also your meeting. You can record the meeting by clicking on the record meeting button at the bottom of the screen. And layouts. You can change the layout of the meeting by clicking on the three dots in the bottom right corner and selecting a layout option or change layout. You can choose titled, spotlight, and sidebar. You can adjust also on the title, you can adjust the maximum tiles to display depending on the window size. You can end the meeting by clicking on the End Meeting button at the bottom of the screen. In here. And you can also rejoin or return to home screen. So there are tips for using Google Meet. First, use headphones or earbuds to improve audio quality and reduce background noise. Mute your microphone when you are not speaking to reduce background noise. And use the chat function to share link documents and other information. Always test your audio and video settings before joining the meeting. Be aware of your background and lighting to ensure a professional appearance. And consider using a virtual background to improve the appearance of your video feed. Well, Google Meet is a powerful tool for video conferencing and collaboration. By following the steps outlined in this article, in this video, and using the tips provided, you can make the most of your virtual meetings and ensure a smooth and productive experience for all participants. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.